Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Facebook account. Or maybe you forget your username and your password. You can use this method to recover it. Before I continue, I would like to mention here that this tutorial is for educational purpose only. Please don't use it for any malicious purpose. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and the like button for more interesting videos. If you do this, that is the only way of encouraging me to do more. If you have any comment or question, just drop on that comment box below. I'm always available to attend to your question. In this demonstration, I'm going to use my current Facebook account, which she forget her username and password to show you how it works. Open up your web browser, sign in into Facebook. Then search for the name that you use to register your Facebook account. Then click enter. Then you have this the kind that I want to recover our Facebook account. Click on the name. Then this from this URL, copy the link from beginning to this point before the forward slash. Then go back to Facebook and log in again. Paste the link we copy here and then put your password or you can put anything here. Put password and type it. Then click login. Then from here you have this pop-up. Click on forget password. The message will be sent to your phone number that you used to open the account. When you get that message, click next. Continue, sorry. Then you put the codes here. When you put the codes here, you click continue. Now you can create a new password and click continue. From here, you will be able to recover your Facebook account. I would like to hear from you. what your experience is like. So don't forget to hit me up on the comment section. Tell me about your experience. Was this helpful? Do you have any question or suggestion? I'm always available to attend to your question or comment. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button for more interesting video and notification. Thank you. See you next time.